students and families. My name is Jennifer and I am a registered dietitian nutritionist at Tri-State Memorial Hospital. We are pleased to present health and nutrition related tips for you to use at school and at home. Today we are going to be making banana sushi. This breakfast sushi is fun to make and to eat. It is a perfect quick breakfast or an after school snack and is packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids that your body craves. You can find this recipe in your Superfoods Super Kids cookbook on page 46. You can make any substitutions as needed as well for the recipe. For this recipe, you will need whole wheat tortillas, a nut butter spread or peanut butter, or you could use a substitution such as cream cheese. You will need a banana. You could use some other fruits as well, and you will need hemp hearts. Hemp hearts are a seed that contain essential fatty acids that help your brain and eyes grow and develop. They also offer a great source of protein. Protein at breakfast or in a snack will help you stay fuller longer and help your muscles grow. All right, well, let's get going in the kitchen. We'll make some banana sushi. All right, today we're gonna make banana sushi. We have Cohen and Luca here, ready to help out. Say hi, boys.
Hi.
So our banana sushi recipe, which is on page 46 in the Superfoods Super Kids cookbook. This could be used for breakfast or for an after school snack. It's gonna give us some good energy. We got some whole grains, some fruit, some healthy fats with the hemp hearts, and some protein. All right, so Cohen is going to make the banana sushi with the peanut butter and banana. And if you don't like nut butters or bananas, Luca's going to make one with strawberry cream cheese, blueberries, and strawberries. So our hands are washed. We have the strawberries already cut up and everything ready to go. All right, boys. Go ahead and pick up your butter knife and take your nut butter or your cream cheese and go ahead and spread it. You could use almond butter, cashew butter, sunflower butter. Go ahead and take your sliced strawberries and blueberries and layer them down the middle. And start by folding one edge around the fruit and tuck it under. Roll it forward nice and tight. Okay, go ahead and place it down. The next step, leave it on your cutting board. The next step, you'll need an adult to help. So you'll need a sharp knife to cut 1/2-inch pieces to resemble sushi. Okay, now take the hemp hearts in the center there and sprinkle them on top of your fruit sushi. Use the spoon and sprinkle them on your fruit sushi. Hemp hearts are a really cool seed that contain fat that helps your brain and eyes grow and develop. They're a great source of protein. The protein will help you stay full and keep your muscles growing. All right, we have our banana sushi ready to go. Go ahead and take a bite, boys. What do you think, Luca?
That's good.
Mm-hmm.